Hey everybody, it's Renee Harrison here again. Just wanted to teach you a little bit about FanPageEngine and what it's all about. Basically, it's a great way to add a tab like I've done here in my fan page, and it's a customized tab that you can add text to. You can add an opt-in box here. I use Aweber for email marketing, so I've just added their box here. And then a blog header, which I've used, and I can show you how I do this. I actually had this custom done, so I had the JPEG image to add or upload into the template, but I can teach you how to do that with a screen capture software that you can do for free. So I'll explain that in a little bit. Alright, so you can add a title, you can add some text in through here. And again, I've added what they call a banner image down here. You can add a different one if you'd like. You can use a logo for a business or whatever. But this one is actually clickable. So if you click on it, it's going to go right to my blog. If you do this, it will go, there it is. So it goes right to my blog, which is kind of cool. And then down here, you can add some clickable links to Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, whatever social sites you're on, as well as your email and your instant messaging places that you're on too. Okay, so here I am in the back office of FanPageEngine, and as you can see, there are different templates here. So I'm just going to click on this one here for a business template, and they have 9 different templates to choose from. So lots and lots of choices. You can add, let's see here, banner. You can add a YouTube video. You embed the YouTube video here. You can do a buy now button from PayPal. If you want to do that, you can embed it. As well as, let's see, this one's a new one. This is for an MP3 audio that you want to create, and then you can just add some graphics with that. And then this one here is just for graphics. So lots of options here to really brand yourself. And then if we come back here, you can also create, if you're a realtor, a photographer, like an actor, or something where it highlights more just you, then you can do one of these personal fan page templates, and you can add different colors. Let's see if I can get in here and show you. You can have all these different choices of background color, inner page color, page border color, title color, text color, blah blah blah. And then you add your own text and information there. So lots of options with the personal template. And then this here, which is really cool, if you are in Zango, Evolve, MonaV, or Yoli, they have already created a custom template with all the graphics all set for you. You just add your text and your links at the bottom, you know, and it's great. It's just all set up for you, and it looks very professional. So that's a great option for those of you who are in these particular businesses. Okay, so I want to go a little more in detail. Once you pick a template, I've chosen template 3. It will take you to this page here. It's called Edit Page, and it will go over a quick video tutorial for you to watch, which is great. It teaches you how to do it, but I just wanted to review quickly. You enter a name for the page. I just named it the name of my blog. Nobody else sees that but you. You pick your colors, and as you can see here, I've used this as my starting point for all the colors I'm going to choose. And once you do this, you could just move this around, this little cursor deal, and decide what color you want. So I've already done all that and matched it up, and you can play around with that. It might take a little while, but it's fun. And right here, I've uploaded my header image, which I told you is basically my JPEG for my blog header, and I did get this from a graphic designer, but at the end of this video I will show you how you can do that. on your own if you have a blog or some type of image that you'd like to capture from your business or whatever, and I'll show you how you can do that. So this one here is the header image right there, and then as you scroll down there's this one here, and they call that the banner image, and that is clickable, and then you just put your URL that you want it to go to. Okay, then we have our basically our subtitle, I guess is what they call it, and so you just fill that in right here. If you want an opt-in form, you can. You don't have to have your own custom one. They do have simple forms that you can use, but I do have Aweber, so I've clicked custom, and then through Aweber they give you a code that all you do is just cut and paste it right in this box right there. Okay, so right here, this is where you're going to talk a little bit about what your fan page is about, what you're about, that kind of thing. So I've done all that right through from here to here. And then the bottom page content is, and you don't even have to do this, but I did elaborate a little more on, you know, my business and my philosophy, I guess you would call it. And you have all these options to, you can add an image, you can, this is just great. There's a lot of flexibility in this and how you present that. Now the footer content here, like I said, is the clickable links. Now is a little more involved adding these little icons, but again, I will tell you how to do that. So basically all you do is just click that and it will take them right to my Twitter account. Okay, so it's really easy for people to follow you on all these different networks. And this one, I don't know, these aren't clickable, but these top ones are. Alright, now the FanPageEngine is actually an affiliate program. So I have signed up as an affiliate, and I do get paid if somebody clicks on my link here. They've got it so you can add your affiliate URL or your link right here, and they give that to you after you sign up. So it's a great way to generate some extra income as well. Yep, it says, want a custom fan page like this, go to FanPageEngine. Well, that will actually be connected to you. So if they click on that and they do sign up, then you will get paid a little portion of that. So now once you've included all your information, you're comfortable with it, you can go ahead and click preview page and it will pop up, and just double check everything, make sure it looks great. If it does, then come back here and just click get code, and you just cut and paste this. You just highlight it all, Control C, and then once you get back into your fan page, now if you don't know how to add the FBML application, I do have another video that I will have a link to at the end of this, after this video on my post. So, but it's basically, you just add this FBML application. It presents you with a workable page, I guess you would call it. Let me see if I can find it in here. Okay, here we are. And so then you just paste the link in here, Control V, and it will all just go right back in here. And then you just save your changes and go here. And then it will, and I did name my tab, but again I explained that in the other video tutorial. So, and this is my default landing page for anybody who is not a fan yet. So each time a fan comes here, they're not going to see this page. I don't need them to see this page, but it's more as a introduction to my fan page and what I'm about. So, and I've done that too in that other video, how to make that a default landing page for non-fans. Okay, now I'm going to explain how, as you saw right here, my blog header. If you don't have a JPEG image of that, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that through a software called Jing. So I'll leave a link at the bottom of the page below this video, but it's techsmith.com/Jing/ and it will bring you to this page. And what Jing does is it will take a screen capture of anything you want on a screen. It's really kind of cool. So what I'll do here, I'll do it for you. Okay, so what Jing allows me to do is, as you can see, this little crosshairs, or whatever you want to call it, you just line it up where you want to capture the image. So I just move these down and around and over, just wherever you want to to capture that photo, you just do this, okay? And then you capture image like so. So it's actually made this into a JPEG image, and then you just name it whatever you want to name it, okay? So then you save it into a folder. Just do that. And then you have that saved in your documents or wherever, in your photos. And all you need to do once you come back to your back office of FanPageEngine is you just browse, you just click browse and you upload it into this little area here. So I don't want to do it now because I don't want to mess this up, but you just click browse and then you find it and then you just upload it, and then it should, resize it accordingly, and it'll look great. It's one of my little secrets, and I do this all the time. I take screen captures for things that I try to explain to people. It's just a lot easier. Just go to Jing or techsmith.com/Jing. Okay, and now for the little clickable icons, which I showed you right here. So it looks kind of nice having a clickable icon instead of this huge URL. So what I do is I find some social icons online. Just Google social media icon, and you will get a whole host of ones that you can get for free. So I downloaded those onto my computer, and then I upload them into PhotoBucket, which I have an account for. So if you don't have one, you can get an account. You could probably do the same thing in Flickr as well. And then once you get it in here, I've just uploaded this little Twitter icon. Okay, so what we're gonna need after you upload that image is the direct link right here. So what you'll do is just cut and paste, come back to your FanPageEngine back office, and what you would do is just add the URL. So what we're gonna do is, let's see if I can just put this down there. We'll put it right there. You click on this insert edit image, and it will require the image URL. So then you just paste that in there, click insert, and then, so now we have this Twitter image, but we want to make it clickable. So therefore you click on it, click on this chain link, which is basically linking it to a URL, your Twitter URL. So you click on that, and then you just add your Twitter URL, and then you just click insert, and then that would make it clickable. Okay? So if you have any questions with that, just give me a holler. I know I go through things kind of quickly. So, okay, one thing I did want to remind you, that each time you make a change or add anything different here, make sure you always click Save Settings. Okay? Then go to Preview Page, because otherwise it won't save it. So if you make your changes and go to Preview Page, it won't save it. So make sure Preview Page, make sure everything looks great, and then you just get your code, just like I said before. Alright, well, I hope this has helped you out with this. It's not too hard. It just takes a little, getting used to, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me, and I'll help you out as much as I can. I forgot to add that some of the prices, so you might be wondering that. Here, okay, there's the templates, and you can preview them if you just click on the link below, it will take you right to this page, and it will explain, all the different templates that you can preview. The basic package includes 2 basic templates. I think you can add a banner image and your, like a header image, the text, the subtitle, and text, and that's it. So that's $37. You can click on that to see what's included. The unlimited package, this is what I bought, and this will give you access to all of the templates. So this, by far, I think is the best value. I'm using 2 of them right now. I'm about to create a 3rd one. So you can get multiple templates per one Facebook account. So if you wanted to create one for a friend, you wouldn't be able to do that because it needs to be connected to your Facebook personal profile account. But I do think it's a great value. If you were to hire a graphic designer, this would cost in the hundreds of dollars. So this is a great value. So anyways, yeah, check it out, and I hope I've helped you out today, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.